يا شعبي سير بعزة، شعبي صامت ما بينهان،
شعبي صامت ما بينهان.
راس الحي الأمريكان،
راس الحي الأمريكان.
The Israeli army committed a terrible war crime by attacking first aid providers and medics in the Red Crescent Society while they were in their ambulances, clearly marked with their sirens on, with their lights on. Israel must be subjected to punishment, subjected to acts of sanctions against this terrible massacre and this terrible violation of every international law that should protect those who provide medical care to the injured people.
Images and footage coming out of this is scandalizing the Israeli narrative and is nullifying any account that Israel has led towards the explanation of such attack. This, in fact, is a reflection of the continuation of Israel's ignorance and Israel's negligence and Israel's denial of the rights of the Palestinian people to live and also to persist and continue to exist on their land.